Hello South Africa. 14 children injured in bakkie-taxi collision in Carletonville. A crash in Carletonville, Gauteng, left 14 children injured on Friday morning, May 12, according to private EMS provider ER24. The crash involved a bakkie and a taxi at the Gauteng intersection in Carletonville. It occurred before 7:01. When ER24 and other first responders arrived at the scene, they found the taxi lying on its side in the road. The bakkie was parked a short distance away. Several children were seen climbing out of the taxi, said an ER24 spokesperson. The children, aged between 4 and 16, were assessed by medics. They were found to have minor to moderate injuries. Fortunately, no serious injuries or fatalities were found, said ER24. The children were transported to a nearby hospital for further treatment. The local authorities stayed at the scene for further investigation. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.